Meet Ben. He just got a gift from his friend. Oh, a book? Could have been nice if it was a digital book. But actually, there's nothing like a real book. So how can you enjoy the best of both worlds? Our solution? Combine them. Stymatsky presents ClickBook, the first application that turns every real book into a whole new digital social experience. So how does it work? First, the application identifies the book and immediately gives you reading points. Later on, the points can be exchanged for books and CDs. Feel like adding an atmosphere to your reading? Choose a suitable soundtrack for your book, recommended by your friends and other readers, or even create your own playlists. Whenever you feel like getting more information about the story, you can simply click on a word and walk around the main character's town through Google Street View, or even expand your knowledge through Wikipedia and many other web tools. At the end of each chapter, you'll be able to get points by participating in a quiz. The quickest user to answer the question correctly will gain even more points. You can easily translate, quote, and share your favorite sentences with your friends on Facebook, and even check out what other readers commented on. When you're in a social mood, you can locate other readers within your area and get recommendations about the most enjoyable places to read their book. You can also discuss and share your thoughts about your book in the book club community. By clicking on your profile, you can see all the points you earned, as well as the books that your friends recommended to you. ClickBook changes the way people are used to reading books. It upgrades the reading experience, making it digital, fun, and addictive. This new marketing digital platform is a great way to integrate and encourages young readers to keep on reading. The end.